Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Easy Maths by Suhail Raza. Students, in today's video we will discuss about time. Time, a very precious resource, once gone never comes back. So what time is? As you can see, time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. The past, present and future are all time. The basic unit of time is the second. So students, a duration in which a particular task is completed is said to be as time. So students, we have got the basic unit of time, that is the second. After seconds, there are few more units. They are minutes. After minutes, there are hours. After hours, there are days. After days, there are weeks. After weeks, there are months. After months, there are years. So there are many units of time, but the basic unit of time is the second. So students, how we calculate time? We have two different things. Or first we have clock or watch. Clocks or watch, which help us to calculate time. So there are two types of clocks or watches. They are digital and analog. So a digital clock is that clock in which there are only numbers. Suppose we have got 3, then 2 dots, and then suppose 30. So whenever we see such type of a clock in which there is no use of hour hands, minute hands or second hands, that clock is said to be as digital clock. After digital clock, there is analog clock. So analog clock is usually of round shape. Suppose I am drawing here. So it is usually of round shape. In that shape, we have got 12 digits. So starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we have got a clock in which there are 12 digits starting from 1 and ending to 12 is said to be as analog clock. So after these digits, there is a dark line behind every number. So what does that dark line represent? That dark line represents the minutes, or there is a gap of 5 minutes between the two dark lines. From this 12 to this one, there is a gap of 5 minutes. From this 12 to this 2, there is a gap of 10 minutes, and so on. 12 to 3, 15 minutes gap. 12 to 4, 20 minutes. 12 to 5, 25 minutes. 12 to 6, 30 minutes. 12 to 7, 35 minutes. 12 to 8, 40 minutes. 12 to 9, 45 minutes. 12 to 10, 50 minutes. 12 to 11, 55 minutes. And at 12, 60 minutes. From 12 to 12, there are 60 minutes. In between the two digits, there is a scale that shows 4 lines between two digits. So these are minutes. So we can calculate the minutes there. So from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from here to here there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here to here there are 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So these scales help us to measure or calculate time. Now students, in the clock there is a hand which is shorter but fatter. That hand is said to be as hour hand. Then there is one more hand which is thinner than our hand but longer than our hand, that is said to be as minute hand. and then there is one more hand which is usually of different color and is thinnest of all, that is second hand. So students, these are three hands in our clock: our hand, minute hand, second hand. So remember them. After these hands, how we calculate time? These hands help us to calculate time, but how we calculate time, that is something beyond this. So we have got quarters in our clock. So what are quarters now? Quarters, whenever we divide a thing in four equal parts, each part represents a quarter. So we divide these in four, our clock in four equal parts, or the digits in four equal parts. So from here to here is one quarter. From here to here is second quarter. From here to here is third. From here to here is fourth. So these help us to calculate time. Suppose our hand is at 1. So and our minute hand is at 12. Sorry, 2. So what will be the time? The time will be 1 and 5 plus 5, that is 10. So we can say 10 minutes past 1. After this, if our minute hand is shift to 3, so what will be the time? So at that particular time, our time will be 1:15. We can say that it is first quarter, so we can say that quarter past 1. After that, we will move to 4. If our minute hand is at 4, so we can say that time is 1:20, or we can say 20 minutes past 1. Same up to 6. When our minute hand is at 6, so this from 12 to 6, this is half now. So whenever there is this situation that the time is 1:30, so we can say that half past 1. So our time will be half past 1. So from 12 to 6, whenever we have got minute hand in between 12 and 6, so we can say that those minutes past that particular number. Suppose here is 1, so we can say these all minutes past 1. But once our minute hand shifts from 6 towards 12, so from here, now when this minute hand moves to here, so our time will be 1:40. But here something changed, that we say past up to 60, up to 6, and then we say 20 minutes to 2. Here 20 minutes to 2. If our minute hand is now at 9, so we can say our time is 1:45, or we can say quarter to 2. So students, these things help us to calculate time. So we use digits from 1 to 12. But students, there is one more thing, and after that I will end this video and give you briefs or something else about time in our next video. That is, we use AM and PM. So what does that represent? So AM is after midnight and PM is past morning. What does that mean? AM, whenever midnight starts. Midnight is at 12 midnight. So after 12, whatever the time is, we use AM for that. From 12 midnight to 12 noon, we use AM, that is after midnight, because midnight is at 12. So after that time is said to be as after midnight, so we use AM for that. And from 12 noon to 12 midnight, we use PM, because up to 12 noon we have morning, and after that morning is past, so we say past morning, that is PM. So students, like the video and share it as much as you can, and the students who haven't subscribed our channel yet will subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more video notifications. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.